अभी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चॉकलेट सूफले। Hey guys, welcome back. We're making a fantastic, थोड़ी old school है लेकिन too good, souffle. You get hot souffles and you get cold souffles as well. अभी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं चॉकलेट सूफले। उसके लिए आपको चाहिए अबाउट 400 मिलीलीटर्स मिल्क, ठीक है। उसमें हम डालेंगे अबाउट ऑलमोस्ट 80 ग्राम्स, ओके, 70-80 ग्राम्स ऑफ शुगर, ठीक है। अभी हम इसे हल्का सा मिला देते हैं। परफेक्ट। सो ये जो है फ्लावर और शुगर, ओके, इसमें एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सा इसमें दूध मिला लेते हैं। परफेक्ट। द रीजन व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस so that you don't get any lumps, okay? Perfect. Now, what is a souffle? A souffle is a dessert or sometimes even a savory, जैसे जब चीज़ के साथ बनता है, which is actually made with flour, butter, egg yolks and flavoring. वो बेस में जाता है। And souffle means to rise up, okay? हिंदी में souffle का मतलब है to rise up, something which is very light. So when they say souffle, it means as light as air. That's how we call it, okay? तो अभी हम इसका बेस बना रहे हैं. The base we are going to cool it down. और उसके बाद I have here with me some egg whites, okay? जो हम इसे whip करेंगे and then we're going to fold it inside and boom, inside the oven. Okay, so we've got our, which is hot here, and now I'm just going to be whisking this mixture here. Perfect. So now अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम, ये जो मीठा दूध जो है along with our cocoa powder and flour, हम इसे पका रहे हैं till it gets nice and thick. Okay? तो अभी हमारा ये जो मिक्सचर है is almost ready. Into this I'm going to be adding about 90 grams, yeah, almost like 6 egg yolks, okay. Now in other words, after adding butter into this, after it cools down, this is actually called a pastry cream, यानी कि पेस्ट्री शेफ उसे क्रेम पैट बुलाते हैं, क्रेम पैट, ठीक है। Perfecto. So we've got our mixture which is beautifully cooked, just like this. So when it gets a little lumpy, that's what you do. थोड़े से lumps आए थे, but don't worry, it's called life. अभी we just pass it through this strainer. You can also put it in the mixer again, hand mixer के साथ मामला set हो जाएगा, not to worry. है ना? So ये जो हमारा पेस्ट्री क्रीम जो है वो तैयार हो गया. Now we're going to cool this down in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding our egg whites. Now once this is sorted out, I have some butter here which I'm going to be whisking inside my creme pat. So now the last addition to this was butter, okay. We've got 50 grams of butter which we've added in right here. Now I'm going to cool this mixture down. Perfect. The creme patisserie or creme pat or pastry cream, chocolate pastry cream ready inside the fridge. Now I'm going to be making 2 souffles, okay, which means that we need about 200 grams of that pastry cream, approximately 100 for each. Now उसके लिए हमें लगेंगे 60 grams of egg white. correct? Perfect. So we have 60 grams of egg white here, to which we're going to be adding a nice pinch of cream of tartar, okay, right? और फिर हम डालेंगे उसमें about 35 grams of sugar. Now using your whisk. So now you can see the air which has been incorporated in the egg whites. That's the whole idea, is that when you are actually beating this up, you are actually building air into the egg white, which is that जब इसको आप आपके cream pastry cream में fold करोगे and you heat it, so basically it is that air which is expanding, which is creating that light as air texture, which is called souffle. Now you can see this texture when the whisk leaves its mark here, which means that we are getting close to our consistency which we are actually looking for. Perfecto. Great. Now this is another process which we are looking at now, is preparing your souffle molds. Okay. So we have our souffle molds. Now this is called preparing the souffle molds, literally. So preparing क्या करते हैं हम? So we actually brush it with butter, okay, just like that. So you need like warm butter, which is metal, and then what you do is you just add some sugar inside here, and then stir it all around here, okay. This is what you need to do. So this is called first one done. Same thing again. Just move this around. So souffle dish is ready, and my creme pat is also ready in the fridge. This is exactly what you're looking for. So we're looking at about 200 grams of this chocolate base. Perfect. So we have 200 grams of this, into which we are going to be folding our meringue inside. So look, wow. Fold, cut, fold, cut, fold, cut. So you have to be a little gentle in this, so you're not, yeah, beautiful. So this is exactly what we want to do. है ना? Lovely. So we're just going to basically make sure that the egg whites and the sugar, यानी कि जो अपना meringue है, it's well mixed into a pastry cream, so that you get a beautiful even rise. The eggs don't settle at the bottom, they don't get lumpy inside, and other reasons. But the idea is that yes, we are mixing the egg white and the sugar uniformly. So fill your souffle almost to the top, to the brim, okay? And remember, it's going to be rising way above this. And sometimes it spill over, don't worry. It happens sometimes. All you need to do is grab it and eat it. That's what I do. So we've got the oven running at about 180 to 190 now. And once it reaches its temperature, I'm going to be adding my souffle pots in the oven. Okay, 185 to 190 degrees, set. Beautiful, Jai Mata Di. Oh yeah, now look at that. That's so cool. Jiggly, 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 baby. Now that's what I call a real souffle. A nice chocolate souffle ready in just 15 minutes in the heart of your homes and your kitchens. Do enjoy the festive season. But the festive season goes on for 12 months. So you can make this recipe anytime and voila! Enjoy the cheese souffle, je t'aime, which means I love you.